Yeah. So yesterday we did some questions of the word problems of linear equations. Today we will do some more.
Sir, they were QRTs.
Some of them were QRTs.
Sir, today will there be QRTs or only RS Agarwal's?
Let's see, mixture of both maybe.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in the last one, sir, I was not able to that, sir, follow the equation. Matlab means, sir,
Hmm.
to, sir,
You were not able to solve the
simplify
equation.
that equation. Yes, sir,
Okay.
solve the equation of the that last question. Question number 10.
Yes, me too.
Okay. Can you tell me what was the
Sir,
equation?
me too.
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, it
Sir, I
was a
am telling the
QRT.
equation. So I
In
can tell the equation.
Yeah, what is the equation?
Sir, 100x plus
100x plus
100x plus 10
10
bracket x plus 5
x plus 5.
plus x plus 5 x plus 5 bracket close.
No, this is x plus 3 or what?
Sir, x plus 5.
This is x plus 5. Here it is x
3
plus
only.
4.
Yes, sir. Then
So
plus
plus
x plus 5.
Beta,
Sir,
here it
x
is
plus
5.
3.
Here it is
X
3, not
plus
5.
Sir, again, sir, again plus x plus 5.
morning, sir.
This is 3, not 5. You have done some mistake.
Yes, sir, it will be 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir, it will be 3.
X plus 5. You have noted the equation wrong. This is x plus 3, not 5. And if 140, what was after this? 495 is added.
Yes, sir,
Number,
495 is added.
then
Sir, is
the
equal to
digits are
100 bracket x plus 5 plus 10 plus x. Yes,
yeah.
sir. This is the equation.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's solve this. 100x plus 10x plus 30 plus x plus 5 plus 495 is 500 equals to 100x plus 500 plus 10x plus 30 plus x. So what I can do from both the sides, I can cancel out this 500. 100x also I can cancel. 10x from both the side I can cancel. ये तो सब कुछ कट गया यहाँ तो कुछ बचा नहीं. There is some mistake in this.
Yes, sir. In mine also the answer is coming 0. Sir, without x.
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
without x, the
exactly.
answer is 0.
No, there is some mistake in this.
Sir, you please do the question again. I am pronouncing the question.
Yeah, give me the question. What is the question?
Sir, the question is in a three-digit number.
Uh,
In a three-digit number,
uh,
the digit at the tens place is 3 more than the digit at the hundreds place,
okay.
and 2 less than the digit at ones place.
Okay.
If 495 is added to the number,
Uh,
the digits are reversed. Find the number.
okay. So this is 100 into x plus 5. And if x plus 5 will go at the 100 place. And in the tens place, the number will remain the same. And x goes to ones place. This is the equation. 200x. X plus 5 goes to the 100 place.
Sir, equation is wrong.
10x. What is wrong in this?
Sir, 10x plus 3. Sir, 10x plus 3.
3. हाँ बेटा तुमने x plus 5 बोल दिया ये शायद.
सर मैंने x plus 5 नहीं बोला सर, आपने x plus 3 लिखा.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. 10x plus 30 plus x plus 500. 5 plus 495 is 500. 10x plus 30, 100x, ठीक है, equals to 100x plus 500 plus 10x plus 30 plus x. 100x गया, 500 गया, 10x से 10x चला जाएगा, x 30 ठीक है. What is wrong in this?
Sir, the QRT is wrong. Question is wrong.
Question is absolutely correct.
Then sir, the answer is coming wrong. Sir, may I again repeat the question?
Wait, just wait. Yeah, repeat the question again.
In a 3-digit number, the digit at the 10th place is 3 more than the digit at the 100th place, and
हाँ.
is 2 less than the digit at 1st place. If 495 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number.
Okay. The digit at the 10th place is 3 more than the digit at the 100th place. Okay,
Sir,
so
Alin's answer came 1. Sir, ask Alin how he did that. Sir, Alin's answer came 1.
Sir, my unit place came 1. Sir, my answer was wrong. My unit place came 1. But hundreds place should become as 1.
has anyone solved the equation?
No,
Sir,
sir.
I
The
tried.
equa-
But the answer
Sir,
is
I
0.
also tried, but answer is sir, my also 0.
So mine answer is also coming 0.
Sir, I don't know why, but mine is coming 3.
Mine is
But the question is correct. The digit at the 10th place is 3 more than the digit at the 100th place. Correct. And 2 less than the digit at the 1st place.
So it means sir that the 1st place is 2 more higher than the 10th place, and the 10th place is 3 more higher than the 100th place.
If 495 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. What is wrong in this? Everything is correct. The digit at the 10th place is 3 more.
Sir, I got sir what is wrong. Sir, I got what is wrong.
Yes.
Sir, 495 will be added in the last. This is a number. First, we will simplify the number. Then we will add 495.
Beta 495 I have added to 5, which makes 500. No problem.
No, sir, but sir, x plus 5, this will come in bracket. Na, sir, 100x and x plus 5 is a full.
Then
So
also
this
it
is
will
a
make
fuller
5.
number.
Then also it will
No,
make
sir, it will
500.
not make.
Beta, it will make 500 only. If you put this thing in brackets, then
When we
also
will
it
open the bracket, then it will make 500 only.
Yeah. You are saying that you want to put this in a bracket, then also the same problem will
No,
be
sir.
there.
Sir, we will also
100x
30
plus
plus 5. So we will also plus 30 plus
10x plus 30 plus x plus 5.
Sir, I am saying that we put the full number in a bracket. So 100x plus 10
Sir, I solved
bracket
the
x plus
problem. My
3
X is
plus
coming
x plus 5.
195.
What your x is x? The value of x is coming 195.
So it is wrong.
The value of x will be 1.
Sir, I am getting 10.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir, I am getting 1 as the x, but in my way, I have taken units place as 1 as x.
Sir, we should leave this question for tomorrow, I think.
No, sir, don't Lisa, please do it. So the
Sir,
आपको कितनी बार
sir,
रहेगा
it may be a holiday tomorrow because tomorrow is 13th.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So do you know anything about holidays?
But I don't know anything about holidays.
So again, my answer is coming so 0. I tried one more time. So I think the answer is also 0, sir. So x is equal to 0, sir. Then, sir, x
Now I
plus
am
2 is
also
equal to
getting
2.
0 only.
So 0 to 5.
Let me tell you what is the number. First of all, I'm telling you the answer. What the answer will be. I think there is something wrong in the equation, or either it is something wrong in solving the equation. The answer is 146. You will get 146 as the number. The tens place digit is 4, hundreds place digit is 1, and ones place digit is 6. Here the gap is 3. The gap is 3. Tens place digit is 3 more than the hundreds place digit, and here the gap is 2. The ones place digit is 2 more than the tens place digit. That means tens place digit is 2 less than the ones place digit. Okay, so this is the number 146. And if you add 495 in the number, you get 641. The digits interchange the position. The digits are reversed.
Yes, sir. Sir, but sir, we are not getting the answer right, sir. So you again try, sir. We are again repeating the question. Sir, I think we are doing mistake in reversing that.
Sir, your video has stopped.
No, beta, it is not stopped. I'm thinking about it.
Sir has stopped, not video has stopped.
Sir, you stopped. I thought video stopped.
Okay, we will discuss this tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we don't have a class. Okay, whenever we have the next class, we are going to discuss this question definitely.
Sir, but this type of question will not come in exam, na sir?
No,
Yes, sir, please tell.
it will not come in the exam. But I think there is
Sir,
some.
but if it comes, sir, it's very easy, sir. Type. Sir, if you explained us, sir, it's easy to do, sir.
Yes. I will find out the mistake in the equation and I will tell you what is wrong in it. Okay. Okay, note down the next question, all of you. Yeah, are you all writing? Ready?
Sir,
sir,
please
Yes,
speak,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, note down 4 times Rahul's age. 4 times Rahul's age decreased
Sir,
by
please repeat, sir, as I was not able to listen.
4 times Rahul's age. 4 times Rahul's age decreased by 3. Decreased by 3 is equal to 3 times his age is equal to 3 times his age increased by 7 is equal to 3 times his age
Please said 10 again from
4 times
starting.
Rahul's age decreased by 3 is equal to 3 times his age increased by 7. 4 times Rahul's age decreased by 3 is equal to
I
3
have done.
times 3 times his age increased by 7. Full stop. Find Rahul's age. It was a very simple one.
Sir, I have sent it the answer. Please tell it is
Sir,
correct
I have
or
al-
wrong.
Sir, I'm not able to understand the question. Please explain.
Sir, it's very easy.
Let Rahul's age be x.
The equation would be 4x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 7.
4 times the Rahul's age. Sorry, 3 times the 4 times. 4 times the Rahul's age decreased by 3 equals to 3 times his age increased
sir,
by
I've sent you the answer.
okay. 4 times Rahul's age decreased by 3 equals to 3 times his age increased by 7.
Sir, answer is 10.
Yeah. So 4x
X
minus
equals to 10.
8 equals to 7 plus 3, x equals to 10. So Rahul's
Made
age
a mistake in
10.
adding, sir, by mistake.
Sir,
Next,
the age is 10.
So the answer is 10. So I by mistake sent the first answer 7.
next question.
So please repeat the next one. I think I was not able to hear.
Sir,
Sir,
please
what
repeat
is
the next question.
the next question?
Yeah, next question. For her mobile phone service, for her mobile phone service, Divya pays for her mobile phone service. Divya pays rupees 145 per month.
Sir, where there is written per month, so we calculate the days as 31 or 30.
But here it is not required number of days.
Sir, but just asking,
Otherwise, you
sir.
take 30.
So we,
If it is not mentioned in
okay,
the
sir.
question, then you have to take 30. 30. Okay, so for her mobile phone service, Divya pays rupees
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in the question it is specified that in the month of February, then also we will take 30 or 28.
No, beta. If it is mentioned that it is a month of February, then you will take 28. And if it is mentioned that it is a
Okay.
leap year, then you will take 29 days.
29.
Obviously. For her mobile
Sir, please
phone,
repeat the question.
yeah, for her mobile phone service, Divya pays rupees 145 per month. Divya pays rupees 145 per month and 75 paise for each extra minute. Rupees 145 per month and 75 paise for each extra minute. She talks over for each extra minute. For each extra minute, she talks over the allowed. For each extra minute, she talks over the allowed number of minutes. She talks over the allowed number of minutes in the monthly plan. Over the allowed number of minutes in the monthly plan. Full stop. In the monthly plan, full stop. She received a bill of she received a bill of rupees. She received a bill of rupees 178 last month. She received a bill of rupees 178 last month. Full stop. She received a bill of rupees 178 last month. Full stop. How many extra minutes? How many extra minutes did she use her phone? How many extra minutes did she use her phone beyond the allowed time? Did she use her phone beyond the allowed time?
Excuse me, sir. 145 rupees she paid for what? For mobile servicing.
No, beta,
Yes.
that is not mobile
Mobile plan.
plan. Yes,
So it's a mobile plan.
yes, that is the charges of the plan. Rupees 145. For rupees 145, she is getting some amount of minutes. Okay, she is getting some minutes of talk time. And now, if the talk time is over, if she exceeds that talk time, then she has to pay rupees 70. Sorry, then she has to pay 75 paisa more per minute. 75 paisa per minute more for each minute. Okay.
Sir, I found the answer.
Very good.
Sir, please tell, is it correct? Sir, is it correct?
Um, yeah, correct answer. Very good.
So I have also sent. Please check it.
Alin, correct answer. Muskan, correct answer. Bhavya, correct answer.
Sir, please tell is my answer correct or not?
Karthik, correct answer. Navya, correct answer.
So I forgot that formula of that unitary method. So can you tell that formula?
Which formula?
Sir, the second one, sir. Sir, the second one that you explained, sir.
Sorry. There is no formula in unitary method, beta.
So please check me my answer is correct or not.
Laksh, not correct. File, correct answer. Okay, let us assume that she used X minutes extra. Extra उसने X minutes बात करी है, X minutes extra बात करी. So how will you calculate her total bill? Total bill कैसे calculate करेंगे आप उसका? अगर उसने X minutes extra
75 paise into X.
total bill, how are you going to calculate her total bill? 145 rupees तो पहले से ही उसने दिए ही है. Okay, 145 rupees तो फिक्स है, ये देने ही देना है. प्लस X मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा बात करिए. एक्स्ट्रा बात कितनी करिए? X मिनट्स, ये हमने माना है. एंड फॉर ईच एक्स्ट्रा मिनट शी इज पेइंग रुपीज 0.75 फॉर ईच एक्स्ट्रा मिनट. फॉर X मिनट्स कितना हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाइड बाय X. गेटिंग और नॉट? रुपीज 0.75
Yes, sir.
for 1 extra minute, and for X extra minutes 0.75 multiplied by X. This is her total bill. This is how you will calculate her total bill, and the total bill is given. It is given 178. So 145 plus 0.75x is equals to 178. 0.75x equals to 178 minus 145. 33. X equals to 33 divided by 0.75. 33 into
44 minutes.
divided by 75 upon 100. So when you solve this, you get X equals to 44 minutes. Got it, all of you?
Sir, when I subtracted 178 by 145, I got 33 rupees. So I converted them into paisa, 3,300, and then I took the answer.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, please solve after so X is equal to 33 divided by 75 by 100.
इसके बाद you are not able to
अरे
solve?
सर पता नहीं कुछ गलत. No sir, I am able to solve. उसमें पता नहीं कुछ फिर गलत आ रहा है.
75 को 25 से काटो. 300 को भी 25 से
याद आ गया सर. मैं 75 और उसको नहीं काट रहा था. सर मैं भूल गया था.
Divide by 25. Okay, next one.
I thought I have to only divide with 75 and 33. I forgot there is.
Sir, उत्कर्ष भूलता बहुत है.
Yes, sir.
I also forgot my relative sometime.
Okay, next question. Note down. The age of a father. ऐसे मत लिखो, ऐसे लिख लो. A father is Our father is
Our father.
our father. Our father is 4 times the age of his son. Our father is 4 times the age of his son. Full stop. "20 years hence." 20 years hence.
Sir, please tell again.
Our father is 4 times the age of his son. Full stop. Our father is 4 times the age of his son. Full stop. 20 years hence. He will be twice the age of son. He will be twice the age of son.
Sir, please repeat after 20 years ends.
20 years hence, he will be twice the age of son. Full stop. Find their present ages. Full stop. Find their present ages.
Sir, we have to find the age of. Sir, we have to find age of
Find
son or
both.
father. Okay, sir. Both.
Find their present ages.
Sir, given.
Sir, please check.
Okay. Aditya Mishra, correct answer.
Sir, given.
Saksham, correct answer. Bhavya, correct answer. Arvind Tandon, not correct.
Sir, please tell my Karthik.
Karthik, you have sent your answer?
Yes, sir.
Karthik, not correct.
Okay, sir.
You have to tell the present ages.
Sir, now is it correct? Sir, now is it correct?
It is correct. No, not correct. Karthik. Aditya Gangwar, correct answer. Okay.
So what?
Doing it. Yeah. First of all, son
Sir, I
says
sent you the other answer.
assume as x. Father says it is 4 times the age of son. That means 4x. After 10 years, after 20 years, son will be x plus 20 and father will be 4x plus 20. Father will be 4x plus 20. Now, after 20 years, what happens? The father is 2 times the age of son, यानी कि twice of x plus 20. So 4x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 40. 2x equals to 20, that means x equals to 10. This is the age of son, and the father is 4x, that means 40 years. 40 years is the age of father, and 10 years is the age of son. Take a screenshot.
Sir, my answer was correct, sir, but I plus the age, and sir, we have to minus.
Sir, my
Sir, by
answer was
mistake I
correct.
wrote plus 12. I thought there are 12 years. By mistake I wrote that. That's why my answer was wrong.